how to use Perplexity AI for content creation 2024. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to talk about Perplexity AI and how you can use this incredible software for your content creation in the easiest and most simplest way. So to start things off, what you are going to be doing is you are going to go ahead and first of all, prompt it. You're going to ask it your question. I'm going to go ahead and write, I want to create a video about, then you're obviously going to add your topic. So let's go ahead about luxury niche where I will be doing a voice over, over, luxury short clips. Okay. Now you can go ahead and ask it for a script as well as an idea. So you can write, give me an idea of what the video should be like, and also write me a script. Okay, so you can simply add that in for yourself. So, simply add prompts like that, and there you go. Creating a video about luxury niche can be an exciting venture, especially with the increasing popularity of luxury content on platforms like YouTube and Instagram. Now, first of all, it gives you the video concept. So the title, Essence of Luxury, A Journey Through Elegance. It gives you the intro, the main clips, voiceover narration, conclusion. It also shows you the visual elements that you're going to need. It gives you the whole script and additional tips for your background music and editing style. Now, this is just one niche that I searched. You can go ahead and create your content in the easiest and most amazing way by searching in prompts like this in Perplexity AI. So yeah, that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.